Hi my darlings, welcome to my channel, to all my new subscribers and obviously the existing ones. By now you may have already seen my biryani masala recipe, which is a spice blend of biryani which you can use in any type of biryanis, and it is such a hit that you will never ever look back again to your packed masalas or that box stuff nonsense. I mean, just look at that, how gorgeous and beautiful it is, and look at the chicken, how wonderfully it's cooked through. Following my recipe, you can rustle this whole lot up in just 30 minutes. So first of all, I have taken about a kilo of boneless chicken. You can of course use the chicken with the bone in, but trust me, this is the easiest way to put the biryani together. Then in goes a cup of yogurt and a tablespoon of chili and garlic, and of course 2.5 tablespoon heaped of my biryani masala mix. And that's it. That's all the spicing you need to do. You can marinate it for about half an hour or overnight, or you can even freeze it. Just don't add yogurt if you're freezing it. Then I've got about 6 onions thinly sliced, which I'm going to fry, and I'll be using 2/3 in the biryani masala marinated chicken, and 1/3 will be used as a decoration and layering in of the biryani. So make sure they are not overly burned. They are nice, golden and crispy. Look at the sound of it. Isn't it beautiful ASMR? Right, the fun part now. It's so satisfying, honestly. Even watching this, it's so calming, isn't it? So I'm adding about 2/3 of the fried onions into the chicken mixture. I'm going to mix it, leave it if you want to leave it, or you can straight away cook it. As I said, that this marinated chicken can be frozen, so you don't have to worry about, just take it out straight from the freezer and into the pan, and it's ready for your chicken layering. I mean biryani layering. And moving on to the gravy part, I have taken some oil and I'm frying about 2 tomatoes chopped up, and I'm going to cook it about 10 minutes on a medium heat until the oil separates. Then I'm going to add the marinated chicken into it, give it a good mix and let it cook. You can cook it on a high heat until the chicken is cooked through, or whatever protein you're using. Look at that, the pool of oil is out. I mean, to be honest, I can eat it at this stage anyway with the roti or chapati. So now I'm going to take the extra oil which came on the top of the korma or the chicken, nicely greasing the pot. You can use any other pot. I just love using my earthen pot. And I'm going to add a boiled rice. I have taken about 750 grams of rice which I've soaked and boiled. These are sela basmati. They are perfect for biryanis. You can use, of course, any choice of rice, whichever you like. Then I am layering it with the chicken korma and again topping it up with rice, but I've also sprinkled some fried onions which we reserved earlier, and I'm being chefy just like Lucknow or Delhi, the way they toss the rice in the air, and honestly it makes them very fluffy. Drizzle with some saffron water or food coloring, mixed in some screw pine water, which is kewra water, and rose water. Dried mint if you have, you can use fresh mint as well, and then on a very low heat let it cook for about 20-25 minutes. Voila, your biryani is ready. Serve it hot, and see, I told you, it's beautiful.